Hey guys, DL here, coming at you with a new training video. So someone asked me how to build shock resistance. Not how they described it, but I can't remember how they described it anyway. Basically, you want to learn how to build shock resistance in your arms. Tiger style uses mostly that. Today I'll be only doing normal shock resistance training. Building shock resistance is actually kind of easy, but hard at the same time. For example, I'll just use a tree. The old dummy tree. Now watch carefully. To train in this, you open your palms like a sumo slammer. Now watch carefully. That's because of the strength. Anyways, you do that several times to either a wall, tree, any hard object that's completely flat or somewhat flat. That's how you train shock resistance in your arms. But I'll also teach you how to train your muscles to do it. Most people believe that the muscles you use for this is only in your hands and arms. However, it's your entire body that trains it. You need to train your arms, chest, shoulder blades, back, wrist, and your legs, and your waist. You need to train all those together to build shock resistance, to increase the power of your hits in your shock resistant training. I suggest maybe doing 30 of these, 3 reps a day. That's my own opinion. If you want to learn more, you might want to try from a more professional person. Try a book. Let's see. That's about everything I can tell you about this right now. Let's see. Ah, yes. So, I have a friend here who may want to try being a test dummy. And I don't know. Should I want to try it? Alright, let's try it then, folks.
Very talented.
What? Now what happened to you? Alright, Sonny.